Hi guys, this is a video for ArcoLinux, alright? And ArcoLinux, it's for everything, not just the particular desktop that I'm on. I just thought, let's not make a video on XFCE and Plasma always, let's do something else and show you also a tiling window manager. This again, think out of the box. It has nothing to do with the desktop, it's just about updating. Now, something very, very important happened that made me realize that we can improve ArcoLinux in tremendous ways, right? So while he's doing his job, let's go to Ctrl-Alt-G. Chrome is not installed, Ctrl-Alt-F. Firefox is installed. It is now, here's the date, the 5th of December. What happened on the 5th of December that made us change our pacman.conf? At some particular moment in time, this is, well, first of all, this is not coming from us. This is ArcoLinux. This is coming from Felix. It has been flagged out of date the 2nd. It's now the 5th. And I always say, give ArcoLinux some time, right? There are always people, well, parents, they're working and they could be sick, it could be on holiday, and just give it some time, and 2-3 days, everything is up to date. But in this particular package, and there's another one which is more essential for us, that's Discord. Discord is the way that we chat and keep in touch with you guys. Also flagged out of date the 4th, so that's just 1 day ago. But since it's such an essential thing, we want to have the number 13, basically. That's the next one, and Philip here has to make them. And when is the time, right? What if, there we go, right? What if we create something of our own, in the sense that when we do a Ctrl-Alt-T and we do an update, everything is blocked because the other system is working. So that's a good way of telling you guys there can be only one pacman running. So that's why the lock is here. That's not important. What if you have to know pacman? Pacman is going through its etc/pacman.conf file, and it's coming across core and extra and community, and it finds Discord, an old version. When I put a new version in our ArcoLinux repo, it will never ever get installed, because pacman says the first one I find is the one I'll install. So I got this idea. What if we put our ArcoLinux repo at the top? We create a new package for Discord, we create a new package for Variety, and we do that for the rest of your life, in the sense that if ArcoLinux is a bit too slow, or ArcoLinux, a package from ArcoLinux is so essential, like Discord, we create the package ourselves quickly and wait for 3 days, 4 days, and then ArcoLinux will follow. So that's the idea. Changing the sequence. First ArcoLinux, then ArcoLinux. We never had to do that, but today we do, right? So in the meantime, I can also tell you at this particular moment in time, Reflector got a new release, new package version, and it's really, really slow. So never mind, in some few days we hope to get a new Reflector that's again working. If it is bugging you, you know what to do. You do just type sudo downgrade Reflector and you choose the version you want. Let's include that in this video as well. Version 11 I would choose, number 11. Okay, so while that guy is getting everything from online and making a new mirror list, what we're gonna do is do a scal. That's already there. You know, when you have, and that's of course important for the ArcoLinux guys or the ArcoLinux D guys, there is a package called bin, right? And the bin, let's see if it's there already. If it's installed, bin stay rolling 2020, going from 2011, the version of 2020 November, to 2021 January, right? Improve pacman.conf and backup, because sometimes people have their own system, their own repositories added to pacman.conf. So first the backup and then our improvement. So you can do that in the meantime. Improve pacman. What happens? Magic, right? Let's make this a little bit gone. Voila. When we update now, let's see if we can. Yeah, it's finished. So as proof, because I saw somebody say on Telegram, I just stopped it, right? It will continue quite for some time, but it will finish. It's just way slower than the previous release. So what happened when you run this particular thing is gonna copy paste, well, first the backup and then going to move this guy to your own etc pacman.conf. So when we do an update, now the magic starts. ArcoLinux repo is at the top. Pacman comes down from his pacman.conf and he finds Discord at the first lines. It says, oh look, in the third party I find the Discord that's newer than the one I have. Variety is newer than the one I have. So now our created packages will come in. Problem solved. Discord is up to date, Variety is working again, and that's a major change. But do remember, and let's go to the system itself, to the file itself, pacman.conf. So again, guys, if you're skimming through the video, it's not about the desktop. This is about our 20 desktops, about any future desktop. This is about ArcoLinux, pacman. We've put these lines at the top. At this particular moment, testing is not included, so that's for the beta testers. And there we go. So first, he'll find it in here, and he'll install it. And that's what changed. All right, have fun.